Hello everyone, welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. Today we're going to be unstuffing our March money so that we can do saving challenges with whatever is left on a different video. And we're also going to restuff, cash stuff all our cash into our wallets. And y'all know we got a new wallet for April, so I'm excited to stuff that as well. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're part of the what? Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. If you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. It's free 99. It costs you nothing to hit that red subscribe button, okay? Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Share the video if you want to. And definitely leave me a comment. Are you ready for April? As simple as that. Are you ready? Okay, so let's get going. Now in our God Provides, which is where we decided to do our rolling money this month, we have 4205. However, we do not really have 4205 because I spent money yesterday on the card, and so that's going to be probably pending. It says 0 right now, but if we review our recent transactions, we have a payment that we made to clear all this stuff here, but we need to pay 613 and 646 minus 613 and minus 646 because we still need to schedule those once they clear. That leaves us with $29.46 that is really getting moved over. So we're going to move $29.46 over to our monthly savings. That's what we were actually able to save in our God Provides, which I'm super happy about because doing it this new way for March, I liked it. It's different, and I think I'm going to keep doing it until it doesn't work anymore. But we're going to move from God Provides over to our monthly savings challenges, right there to monthly savings challenges, and we're going to move $29.46. Submit. And success. Perfect. So now we left $12.59 in there. So when we go to pay the card, once that money stops pending, we can have the money to pull from there to cover those two snack charges. Okay, we're pretty much done with this. So let's move on to our cash wallet and see what's left in here. We do have, it says we should have $40 still left, 20, 30, 40. We do. But we are about to be at half tank and I have to go out for the day. And I think it's only fair to take the $20 out of here. I'm going to leave this $20 in here and say that we're going to get gas now. That we're going to grab some gas today, which is on 329. Is that right, y'all? Because I can't keep up. No, it's 330. Me malo. It's 3:30 and we're gonna go get some more gas on our way back from shopping today, and that's gonna leave us with $20, and that's what we need to get a new we need to get a new one. We left off at 20, and that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put this gas in there today, and seeing that it's still technically April, we're gonna do that. So we have $20 left over from gas. And I'll put this 20 back in here so we can use it today. Then we have giving, which I should have $3 left. I ended up, you'll see the breakdown of most of these on my what I spent in a week video because I go over some of this as well. But the last time, which was yesterday when I went and got my eyebrows done, I left a $2 tip and that left me with $3. So we should have 1, 2, 3. That's $3 left over, and we're grateful for that. We're just gonna, for the next quarter, clearly just gonna get brand new teller splits. Just take them out. I don't know what happened to my $20 bill. It looks so jankety. And then over here, which is our self-care, we spent $10 getting my eyebrows shaved. So we have $60 left, 20, 40, $60 left. Big money. That's where we saved the most of it. This one, we'll get it a new one as well for this next upcoming quarter. So overall, what we were able to save, we were able to save in the month of March in cash was 20, 40, 60, 70, 80. No, is that right? Wait, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80. Yeah, 81, 82, 83. We're able to save $83. So excited. $83. Nice. Now let's see how much we actually saved along with the online stuff. So in our monthly savings challenge, so at 83 in cash, and then I can see that we moved 46, 43. That was from the rollover from our checks. And then we had 29, 46 that we just moved from our God Provides. So we have plus 40. Oop, nope, we need to plus 46, 60, sorry, 83 plus 29, 46. We saved $159.29 this month of March, you guys. All the little things add up, you guys. All the little things add up. So that's amazing. I'm super happy for that. And we're going to take this money and put it in our back to the bank envelope. Okay, so the very last envelope here is our back to the bank. We are going to be putting $83 away in cash. So when I stop by like a CVS, I'll drop that off so that I can add that to our monthly challenge money. And that was, this will be $330. Hopefully I can stop by today. And that was back to bank. And that's $83. Great. Okay, so now that the unstuffing portion of the video is done, let us work on the cash stuffing portion for April. First, let's handle moving over the digital portion of our money. So let's go back into the bank. And what we're going to do is I created a new account that's called, from one of the old ones that were like gas, groceries and stuff. It's now called Month Ahead Variables. There was 480 in there, but I took 190 out in order to get the cash portion of this. But 290 needs to go into our God Provides fund, plus the 1259 that'll pull out for the old stuff. So I'm just going to go ahead and transfer this 290 over from our Month Ahead Variables over to our God Provides account right here, 290. And this is going to be for our April variables. I'm going to submit that and slide to confirm. So transfer complete from Month Ahead to God Provides for 290. Success. Perfect. So now we have 10 cents in here, and we have now $302.59 in our God Provides envelope. Perfect. So that part of our digital is moving, and we're just going to do like last month, and I'm going to just keep it rolling. If you're interested in seeing how I'm tracking the rolling, you have to watch my weeklies. What I spend in a week, I show you how that goes there. It's time to change the wallet. But first, we're going to go to our old wallet. We're going to go where the what? Where the money resides. Where the money resides.
What the what? What the money reside? What the money reside? What the money reside? What the money reside? Okay.
Where the what? Where the money resides, which just happens to be in this back pocket. Like I said, I took out $190. So we should have $190 here. These are crisp. Okay, so we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 40, 60. So that's 160. 170, 180, and 190. These 10s are super crisp. Okay, so we have our 190 that we're working with. Let's go ahead and take all the tags off our new one. Now this one is not a binder style like the one I currently have, but that's okay because I only have 3 categories, and as long as the tracker is in it, I should be perfectly fine. So what I'm going to do is, since I didn't have time to really look for my dividers yet, I'm just going to use the 3 sections, 1, 2, and 3 as like gas giving self-care. So let me fill out our trackers as we go here. So we're going to, this gas gets 100 currently, so that's our main amount here, and this is for our gas. So this is actually $3.30 today, but we're gonna start kind of using this for one, but whatever. So this is gonna be our deposit, $100, leaving us with a balance of $100 for gas for the month. So we're just gonna do 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20 seem to be working for me. I usually fill up at about half tank, and I try to put about $20, but I did notice that gas is slowly creeping up. Oh, this is too big for this. Hold on, you guys. I'm gonna have to cut this down. Let me see. Okay, we're going about the second one up. Let's see how that goes. All right, perfect. So that is for gas. And next we have, might as well cut the other 2 down while we're at it. The second one will be for, I'm going to do self-care next. Self-care. And self-care's envelope currently now is getting about $70. So on $3.30, we're doing a deposit for $70, leaving us with a balance of $70. And we definitely need a pedicure this month. So there's that. 20, 40, 60, and 8, 10. Girl, I love these, but baby, they getting stuck. 20, 40, 60, 70. Were they all the same? Nope. Oh, nope. 20, 40, 60, $70. And that's going to be for self-care. We'll go ahead and put self-care right here. And then last but not least, we have giving, which currently gets $20 for the month. And that was $3.30. We're going to do a deposit for $20 for $20 for the month, and 10 and 20, and we'll just put that right behind it here. And I do think I have some clear dividers. I just haven't had time to look, so maybe the next time we look at this, you'll be able to see them. But yeah, that's our 1, 2, and 3 section. It is absolutely fine. Switch over to the other wallet. All the other stuff to this wallet when I get off camera. That is, you know, y'all ain't got time for that. But this is such a cute wallet. I'm so excited. I haven't had such little things to make me so happy in a while. And I'm excited to change over to my Michael Kors light colored bag for the spring as well. That'll be over there on the declutter challenge that I'm doing in April. If you're interested in that, my girl Brittany over at The Productivity Flow is doing a declutter challenge this month. The link to that will be linked down below if anyone wants to click it and get up in there with me. Okay, but that's it for this video. Please stay tuned if you enjoyed this. The saving challenges will be coming up for March. The March money that we put away in saving challenge will be stuffing some challenges. So if you're interested in saving challenges, stay tuned. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to give me a like. And how did you do with saving this month? I hope you did well. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, it's faith over fear forever. And I love you. Mean it. Bye.